In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to change the video resolution on your iPhone. Whether you want to improve the quality of your videos or reduce the file size, adjusting the resolution can make a big difference. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called Camera. Just tap on it. After that, tap where it says Record Video. Now you'll see all available video resolutions. My iPhone supports 720p at 30 fps all the way to 4K at 60 frames per second. As you can see, right now, it's set to 1080p at 60 frames per second. To change the video resolution, simply select the desired resolution from the list. Keep in mind that higher resolutions will result in larger file sizes, while lower resolutions may sacrifice some video quality. Once you've done that, just go back, and the changes will be saved. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.